Get ready, because what you're about to discover today can completely change the way you see money. Imagine holding just a $10 bill in your hands. For many, it represents a simple lunch, a small expense at the store, or a taxi ride. But for those who understand the game, that same $10 can be the seed that grows into a true fortune. And we're not talking about a miracle or luck, it's about applying. With precision, 5 clear and tested steps that the rich know and use, but most people never even consider. Throughout this video, I'll reveal each of these steps, one by one, and show you how anyone, no matter where they are right now, can turn such a small amount into something unimaginable. Stay until the end, because the last step is the one that multiplies all the effort from the previous ones. The first step is to change your mindset. Before you multiply money, you need to multiply the way you think about it. Average people see $10 as something limited, something to spend. Rich people see it as starting capital. The key here is to eliminate the instant mentality and replace it with a strategic investment mindset. This means training your brain to ask, how can I use this $10 to generate more money? Instead of what can I buy with this simple shift is powerful because it opens your vision to opportunities that were invisible before. An example, Jeff Bezos started with little, but every penny was aimed at generating returns, not satisfying a momentary desire. The second step is to identify fast multiplication vehicles. With just $10, you need to choose strategies that can double or triple your initial capital, and then reinvest. It could be buying and reselling a high-demand item, investing in a micro-digital asset, or even participating in small arbitrage opportunities. This is the stage where you learn to turn a symbolic amount into an initial growth engine. Many entrepreneurs started by reselling products bought on clearance, generating a profit that reinvested continuously, built entire companies. Here, the secret is to test quickly, risk small, and learn even faster. The third step is disciplined reinvestment. This is where most people fail. When they earn their first profits, the natural impulse is to spend, celebrate, and enjoy the reward. But financial discipline says otherwise. Every initial profit needs to go back into the game. It's the snowball effect. When you reinvest everything you make, even if it seems small, your growth curve stops being linear and starts becoming exponential. Think like a farmer. You don't eat the first seeds, you plant them again. This creates a cycle that, over time, becomes unbeatable. The fourth step is to apply the power of leverage. After multiplying your initial capital several times, it's time to make your money work harder. This could mean investing in marketing to boost sales, using credit smartly to expand operations, or even hiring people to handle tasks that free up your time for higher return activities. This is the difference between growing slowly and exploding. Your results, leverage is like adding rocket fuel. It speeds up the process but requires control and strategy to avoid unnecessary risks. And finally, the fifth and most powerful step is to build a system that runs by itself. At this stage, money starts generating money without you being present in every step. This could be an automated business, investments that pay consistent dividends, or digital assets that keep selling while you sleep. This is the true turning point that transforms not only $10 into millions, but also your financial life for good. It's where you stop trading time for money and start living off the results of the system you built. So, to recap, change your mindset, find fast multiplication vehicles, reinvest with discipline, use leverage to your advantage, and finally, build a system that works for you. If you apply these 5 steps with consistency, patience, and strategy, you'll realize there's no magic. There's a method, and the best part, you can start today, right now, with just a $10 bill in your pocket